Hi, this is James from Bespoke Park City, and today I have the Zarges Kor Takedown Kit. Now, the Takedown Kit is a travel case that was designed for takedown rifles, but utilizes Kor VRS technology to allow you to fit anything that you would like on the inside. To go over the features on the outside, it's made of lightweight aluminum. It is under 20 pounds. You do have handles on both sides and the front, as well as wheels. On the inside of the kit, you do have a Kor double wide insert as well as a single insert that allows you to sandwich a couple different layers that I will show you in just a moment. Now, if I open the takedown kit here, we have our first layer of VRS. That first layer will conform to everything that's underneath. If I lift that up here, you can see it is fitted to everything that is underneath here. You do have a pump that will allow you to remove all of the air from the inside of the insert. I have a valve here that if I loosen this will allow the air back in and it will start to become flexible. Set that aside. You can see I have a Blaser R8 in here with a 30-06 semi-weight barrel, 375 H&H semi-weight barrel. And when I take these out, you can see they're very, very solid in there. Not going anywhere, especially with that top insert. And when I lift up the double wide Kor insert, underneath I have a FNPS 90 with Sierra 5, a Mojave 45 on a Mark 23, and a primal for that 375 and 30-06 barrel. It easily folds back down and will retain the shape that you put it in. And in just a moment, I will show you how removing and fitting the inserts works. All right, to fit a Kor insert, you make sure everything is set where you'd like it, set it in the right space, and this clamshell, this bottom layer, is also controlled by the same valve. You're gonna take your top layer, set it on top, and make sure it's nice and even. Then take whatever items you are looking to put in the case and set them out, giving a little bit of room in between the items. Make sure they're not directly up against each other. Allow for a little bit of wiggle room. Then from there, we'll have to make sure our valve is tight and take the provided pump. As you can see, this side is removing the air. We will then put that into our valve and start removing that air. And as I go, you can see it starts to get solid. You can also, when it's a little bit tighter, form things even tighter around each item to make sure you get the perfect fit, and keep going to remove all of that air. From here, once it is solid, the air is removed, we're going to go ahead and close our valve and then do the same step with the top layer to make sure everything is nice and tight, which will then allow us to close our case and have a perfectly custom fit insert every time. In summary, the Kor Zarges Takedown Kit is the perfect case for the international traveling hunter. You might not know where you're going, you might not know if you're bringing binoculars, this gun, that gun, whatever setup you can possibly dream of, this case can handle it. And it's definitely worth taking a look at.